Yes, we continue with our series on equations, and we have here an equation with x on both sides and brackets. So let's see how we can solve this one. So first, as our rule from the last video, from the second video, put all the x on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Yeah, so x on one side and numbers on the other side. First, when you have brackets, you have to get the brackets away, and we do that in the following way. So let's first get the brackets away. What are we doing here is now we multiply the number with every summand in the bracket. So 5 with x and 5 with minus 9. Okay, what is a result? What is our result? 5 times x and then minus 45. Minus 11. And now on the other side, we multiply minus 7 with x and minus 7 with minus 7. So this gives us 7 times x plus 49. So now we are at a stage which is much easier. So now again the rule is x on one side and the numbers on the other side. So let's do that first. But before we have to calculate. So we can calculate this here and we can calculate this here. So we have 5 times x, write down the old, and now add up minus 45 minus 11. That's minus 56 equals 15 plus 49 is 64. Pardon, 64 plus 64 minus 7 times x. So now we can do something. We can put the numbers on one side. So we do plus 56 here, because here we want to have a 0. So that's why we add 56 minus 56, the old, write it down, and the new one, plus 64 plus 56 minus 7 times x. Now calculate again. So this leaves us with 0. 5 times x plus 0 equals, that's 120, if I'm right. 120 minus 7 times x. And now put the x on this side. So we have to get this away. There must be a 0. So we add 7 times x. And now we have 5 times x plus 7 times x. We leave the 0 out. 120 plus 0. And now we can calculate again this here. So we have 12 times x equals 120. And now, as in the last video, we want in front of the x, we want a 1. So we want something like that, because we need something like that. And x, or 1 times x is the same as x. Okay, so we need to make this a 1. How do we do that? We divide by the same number, because same divided by same equals 1. So a divided by a is 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and so on. So divide by 12, that means that we have 12 divided by 12 times x equals 100 divided by 12, that is 10. And now 12 divided by 12, that is 1 times x equals 10, so that is x equals 10. Yeah, that's it, that's our solution. If you want to make sure that it's really the correct solution, you can insert this x here and here, and then you have to make sure that the left side is equal to the right side, but in our case that's true. And I wish you all happy holidays.